So before we get started on any type of trading, you will need to set up a wallet. If you don't have a wallet in the Cardano ecosystem yet, I'm going to show you how to set up the MinWallet, which is integrated directly into the Minswap DEX as well. So that's probably a really good way to start. So you can do this by heading over to the website minswap.org, links in the show notes for you guys. But you can get to the website and then click on Connect Wallet in the top right-hand corner there. Here you have the option for MinWallet. It's also supported on mobile, but I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it'll give you a little description here. MinWallet is a secure and user-friendly wallet built directly into Minswap dApp for seamless token swapping and management. Let's get started. So let's click on New Wallet here. And it has a bit of disclaimer, and this is really important because you need to make sure that this seed phrase that you're creating here, this is like the unique identifying password for this particular wallet. You need to keep this safe. So make sure you follow these instructions here. If I lose my seed phrase, my assets will be lost forever. If I share my seed phrase with others, my assets will be stolen. My seed phrase is only stored on my computer, and Minswap has no access to it. I clear my local storage without backing up my seed phrase, Minswap cannot retrieve it. So whatever you record down here, make sure you store this offline, write it on a piece of paper, write it in a notebook. And what I like to do actually is to engrave it onto a piece of metal. You can go to your local hardware store, buy a really cheap engraver and a slab of metal, like a sheet metal, and then start engraving it onto there. That's a really good way of ensuring that the seed phrase won't burn in a house fire, is a little bit more secure. The dog won't eat it, it won't fade in the sun. So all those things that you have issues with paper and storing a seed phrase, this is a really good way to do it. So it's really important to keep this safe and secure. So I'm going to click on next and continue with this process here. So this here is your 24-word seed phrase. I'm going to click on reveal seed phrase here. I just had to scroll a little bit, and these are all the words here. Now, of course, these ones here, I'm just going to use for this video tutorial. I'm not going to store any assets on there directly. So you don't need to worry about me losing my assets here because I'm revealing my seed phrase. So what you need to do now is copy and write all of these words down onto a piece of paper. It's a good starting point, and then you can store it securely afterwards. So I'm going to copy all that so that I've written down that seed phrase and click next. Now I have to repeat all those words back onto the platform to prove that I've written them down and I have a copy of them. So I'm just going to write them all down. There we go. Everything looks good. Click next. And now we can name the wallet. I'm just going to call it my MinWallet. Enter a sending password for this. Now I can name my wallet. I'm just going to call it MinWallet. And then I need to type in a sending password. This is a password that be used to confirm each and every one of the transactions that goes through the DEX. So I'm just going to type something in here. There we go. My password's in, and account index. Now what this means here is that with each wallet, you can actually have a number of sub wallets. So this wallet I'm creating, I can create various sub wallets. Maybe I'm trading different assets and I want to keep them separate. In this case, I'm just going to choose index 0, so just one wallet essentially, and then click next. And there we go. My wallet is all ready to go and set up for trading on Minswap. Of course, what I'll need to do now is fund this particular wallet with some ADA assets. That way I have some ADA to start trading from. So if you are on a centralized exchange such as Coinbase or Binance, you'll need to now fund this particular wallet. And let me show you how that is done. So here I can click on receive, and this is now my receiving address. So I can copy that receiving address. That's now copied to my clipboard. Now I can go off to Coinbase or Binance and then paste that receiving address onto that particular platform and send some ADA to that particular address. I won't do in this particular example, but that's all you need to do, and then this wallet be funded. The other really cool thing that you can do with that seed phrase is restore your wallet on any other wallet in the Cardano ecosystem, whether you want to use Lace, Eternal, or any other wallet that has a 24 seed phrase. You can restore that wallet over there and use the same wallet, same assets on a different interface. Really cool how that's all done. So now that you have set up your wallet and you have funded it from a centralized exchange, I'm going to show you exactly how to start trading on the Minswap platform.